Hi and welcome to my course on Microsoft Project 2016. Let me first assure you that by the end of this course, you will be able to use Microsoft Project with great elegance. You will be using it literally for every stage of your project, right from inception to closure. You will be able to track not just your schedule, but all your resources, budgets, risks, and then even more than that. You will be able to create professional looking reports with a click of a button, and your reports will be dynamic. That is, your reports will be real time. You don't have to change them week after week. Microsoft Project is one of the earliest products of Microsoft, and it has its genesis from 1984. Over the last 3 decades, there has been tremendous evolution of its designs, features, and algorithms. And in this course, I will handhold you through all of those features. Now, let us see what is special about this course of mine. This course is designed on the principle that three things have to come together to learn Microsoft Project really well. Firstly, there should be a mapping with project management processes. Secondly, Microsoft Project itself with the features, algorithms, tips, techniques, pitfalls. And finally, the third aspect are the hands-on exercises. This course brings together all of these three in its design and implementation. Now let us look at how this course is structured. This course is structured around 10 hands-on exercises. These exercises will start from a very simple level here, and it will progress on to beginner level, then intermediate level, and finally on to a complex level with advanced concepts. Corresponding to this, you will be able to see a mapping to project management phases: initiation, planning, execution, and control, and finally closing. And beyond all of this, I have taken care to include a wide array of domains in the examples. The simplest examples are generic, but after that, there are examples from administration, business, software technology, human resources, civil engineering, marketing, and information technology. So let us see now how you can get the very best from this course. Every section has a beginning lesson on the learning objectives of the lessons to follow. So you will have to understand that first. And then every exercise has an overview file which explains the case scenarios, assignments, and the logic of the exercise. Almost every lesson will have a begin and finish project exercise file, which allows you to practice exactly what is shown in the lesson. If you follow all the exercises diligently, only then you will get to a level of expertise. So this is a fundamental part of the course, and do not miss out on the exercises. Where can you get Microsoft Project? I have actually used Microsoft Project 2016 professional version for this course. If you do not already have access to Microsoft Project, then you can actually download a trial version from Microsoft's Office website. You can see a link here. You can actually Google Microsoft Project, and the first link usually will take you to this site. You can download a trial version from Microsoft's Office website. This will usually be a full-featured version with no limitations except that it will be time limited. So that's it for this introduction lesson. I will see you in the next lesson. I wish you a very happy learning experience.